Did you know that Antarctica is the only continent without a native human population? It's a place of extremes, a land of bone-chilling cold and breathtaking beauty, a world that is as fascinating as it is forbidding. In the next 8 minutes, we'll journey together through this icy wilderness, unveiling 5 captivating aspects of Antarctica that are sure to leave you in awe. So, are you ready to explore the mysteries of the South Pole? Stay tuned to uncover the 5 most fascinating facts about this mysterious white continent. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, Antarctica holds the record for the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth. Now, when we say cold, we mean cold beyond your wildest imaginations. Picture this. The lowest temperature ever recorded in Antarctica was minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than the surface of Mars. This extreme cold doesn't just happen in the blink of an eye. It's a result of the continent's high altitude, its position in relation to the sun, and the extensive ice and snow cover that reflects sunlight back into space. These factors combine to make Antarctica a continent of extremes, a place where even the hardiest of explorers must take precautions to survive. But it's not just humans who have to deal with these temperatures. The wildlife in Antarctica has adapted in remarkable ways to survive in this icy wilderness. Some animals, like the emperor penguins, have developed special feathers that trap heat, while others, like the Weddell seals, rely on a thick layer of blubber for insulation. Despite these adaptations, life in Antarctica is a constant battle against the cold. Every organism, from the tiniest microbe to the largest whale, has had to evolve strategies to survive in this harsh and unforgiving environment. So, if you're thinking of a winter getaway, you might want to cross Antarctica off your list. Moving on to number 4, did you know that Antarctica is the only place where you can find emperor penguins in the wild? These flightless birds are the largest of all penguin species and are uniquely adapted to thrive in conditions that would be unbearable for most other life forms. Emperor penguins are truly one of nature's wonders. They lead an extraordinary life, with a life cycle that is completely intertwined with the harsh Antarctic environment. Each year they embark on an incredible journey, often traveling up to 60 miles across the ice to reach their breeding grounds. Their breeding season is in the middle of the Antarctic winter, when temperatures can drop to minus 70 degrees Celsius. But these hardy birds have evolved to survive and even thrive in such conditions. They huddle together for warmth, with each penguin taking turns to be in the center of the group where it's the warmest. The female lays a single egg and then embarks on a 2-month journey to the sea to feed, leaving the male to incubate the egg. The males balance the precious egg on their feet, covering it with a fold of skin to keep it warm. They endure the cold and darkness without eating for over 2 months until the female returns. These adorable creatures are proof that life thrives even in the harshest of environments. Our third fact takes us to the icy landscapes of Antarctica, which holds 70% of the world's fresh water. Imagine that 7 out of 10 glasses of water you drink could have been sourced from this frozen wonderland. Now, that's a chilly thought. The ice in Antarctica isn't just a spectacle for the eyes, it's a crucial component of our global climate. This massive ice sheet acts as Earth's air conditioner, reflecting sunlight back into space and keeping our planet's temperature in check. Without it, our world would be a much warmer place. But here's the rub, this icy shield is under threat. Global warming is causing the Antarctic ice to melt at alarming rates. This isn't just about losing an iconic landscape. It's about the domino effect this could have on our global climate. As the ice melts, it releases water into the ocean, causing sea levels to rise and potentially flooding coastal areas around the world. Moreover, the melting ice reduces the Earth's ability to reflect sunlight, leading to a vicious cycle of warming and melting. It's a ticking time bomb, and we're the ones holding the detonator. So next time you're sipping a cold drink, take a moment to appreciate the ice. Think about it, the ice in your drink might once have been part of an Antarctic glacier. At number 2, we have another extreme. Antarctica is the windiest place on Earth. In this icy wonderland, a unique wind called the katabatic wind reigns supreme. Originating from the Greek word katabatikos, meaning going downhill, these winds are gravity-driven and are formed when the air over the ice sheet cools and descends rapidly. The sheer scale of these winds is truly awe-inspiring. They can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula One race car at top speed. It's hard to imagine the sheer force of such winds, but they are a daily occurrence in Antarctica. These powerful gusts pose significant challenges for exploration and research in the region. They can cause blizzards, reduce visibility to virtually zero, and make the already harsh environment even more inhospitable. Even the sturdiest of structures have to be specially designed to withstand these brutal winds. Despite these challenges, scientists and explorers continue to brave these conditions to learn more about this fascinating continent. The information they gather not only helps us understand Antarctica better, but also provides valuable insights into global climate patterns and changes. So, next time you complain about a windy day, remember it could always be worse. You could be in Antarctica. And finally, our number one fact, the Antarctic Treaty, a unique symbol of international cooperation. This treaty, signed in 1959 by 12 countries, is a beacon of unity in a world often divided by differences. It's not just a piece of paper, but a commitment to peace and science. The Antarctic Treaty, in its essence, prohibits any military activity, mineral mining, nuclear testing, and nuclear waste disposal. But it's not just about what's not allowed. It's about what is encouraged: scientific research and cooperation. Countries from around the world come together, setting aside territorial claims to learn and explore this vast icy wilderness. This treaty is significant not just for the protection it offers to Antarctica, but for the precedent it sets for international cooperation. It's a reminder that we, as a global community, can put aside our differences and work together for the greater good. It's a testament to the fact that we can coexist, collaborate, and learn from each other, and the result, a pristine, untouched land, a place where penguins waddle, seals slide, and icebergs float freely, a place of beauty, mystery, and endless scientific possibilities, a place preserved for future generations to explore and appreciate. This fact is a testament to Antarctica's global importance and our responsibility to protect it. To sum up, Antarctica is not just a barren, icy desert, but a place of extremes and fascinating facts. It holds the title of the coldest and windiest place on Earth, is the home of enchanting penguins, and is overwhelmingly dominated by ice. Plus, the Antarctic Treaty, a beacon of international peace and cooperation, governs this magnificent land. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey to the end of the world. Remember, there's always more to learn, especially about a place as mysterious as Antarctica.